Welcome viewers to Biafra Battle Cry TV, the channel featuring the prophetic voice of Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. Today in Nigeria, 109 overfed gluttons are paid billions to go and sleep, mess, and the eyes have it. Senator Shu Soni's revelation should not be swept under the carpet. The Senate is a secret society, and why is revenue mobilization allocation and fiscal commission lying to Nigerians? Mazi Nnamdi Kanu is a visionary leader who accurately predicted the future and is now dedicated to liberating Biafrans. Generalizing about entire groups of people can be inspired and educated. Biafra is our religion, and here in Biafra is where we worship. The channel aims to spread his message of hope and freedom, inspired by Isaiah 42 verse 16 that said, "I will bring the blind by a way they did not know, I will lead them in paths they have not known. I will make darkness light before them, and crooked places straight. These things I will do for them, and not forsake them." Please share, like, and subscribe to support the channel and hear from this influential leader. See you soon on another video. Thanks for watching.
There are three categories of payments he receives. The first one is the salary. During our time was 750, and then the 9th Senate was almost 850, and then this 10th Senate, they have 1 million. And then the second payment is the running cost of office. It is money that is credited to your own account, and you are expected to retire the items listed for the running cost. And at that time, we were given 13.5, and I think the 9th Senate, they had something like 15 or 16 million. And then now revealed by Kawu Smiler that they are on 21 million. And the third payment, a senator or member House of Reps get is the constituency projects funds. But in that case, you are not given this large sum of money, because each legislator, it depends on the zones you come from. If you are from the northwest, at least during our time, you get like 250 million per annum. But the differences between the salary, the running cost, and the constituency funds is that constituency funds are domiciled in a government agency, whether ministry, department, or agency of the federal government. And there you'll be told that you have such amount of money with us, and then you are going to submit a list of items you want that money to be spent on. So some senators will choose to build hospitals and schools, roads. Some will say they want to do empowerment programs in their own constituency, and all sorts of things. And that has been the case. And then problem emerged when there was opacity in terms of no transparency in the way the constituency funds were managed. So for that, there was an innovation introduced during the Buhari administration that ICPC was mandated to monitor those projects. So, but the point is that I don't think the ICPC has that manpower and the time to go the whole country looking for projects that were executed by senators. So basically, what Kawu Smiler did was to simply second what I did many years ago by disclosing the amount. So when I heard the Resource Mobilization and Physical Allocation Commission making claims that senators are only given 1 million naira, and I saw that in the statement which they made, they mentioned my name, refuting what I said. But I'm happy that Kawu Smiler has vindicated me, and I insisted that running cost is also part of the payment to a senator, because it is not credited to the account of your office, it's credited to your personal account. So how will you separate that? And I heard what he was saying, that legislation should be asked, where does the money come from? Well, if I am a senator and money comes to me, it's not for me to be asking where the money comes from, as far as my account is credited and I have to do what I need to do. I think the issue now is that this matter has brought more light to the conversation on the need for transparency.